Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use fresh mint leaves. Mint is incredibly versatile, adding a burst of freshness to many dishes and drinks. You can easily incorporate it into your daily routine for a delightful flavor boost. Start by gently washing your mint under cool water and patting it dry. This simple step ensures your leaves are clean and ready for use, whether you're muddling them for a drink or chopping them for a salad. For culinary uses, finely chop mint leaves and sprinkle them over salads or mix into a vibrant dressing. You can also infuse a few sprigs into hot water for a soothing, aromatic tea. Mint pairs wonderfully with fruits like watermelon or berries, creating a light and refreshing dessert. Try adding about 1/4 cup of chopped mint to a fruit salad for an unexpected twist. Mint truly shines in beverages. Muddle a few leaves with lime and sugar for a classic mojito, or simply add whole leaves to your water pitcher for a refreshing, subtle flavor throughout the day. Beyond drinks, mint makes an excellent garnish. A small sprig can elevate the presentation of desserts, main courses, or even a simple fruit platter, adding a touch of elegance and a fresh aroma. To keep your fresh mint vibrant for longer, there are a couple of great methods. You can wrap the sprigs in a slightly damp paper towel and place them in a plastic bag in your refrigerator. Alternatively, treat your mint like a small bouquet by placing the stems in a glass of water on your counter or in the fridge. Change the water every 2 days for optimal freshness. And speaking of freshness, if you want to keep your car smelling great, check out the link in the description for Little Tree's Black Ice, along with other fantastic deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.